Hello children, I am Mrs. Masih and today children I am going to do revision of science. I am going to take revision of science chapter 1, that is things around us. I have already taught you this chapter nicely children, but today we are going to do revision from the book. As you can see in this picture, there are many things. Boys, sun, cloud, trees, bird, dog, flower, water, hedges, all these things. All these things make our surroundings. Our environment means environment is made by the things which are around us. जो हमारे आसपास होता है उससे environment बनता है. And these things can be divided into living things, natural things, and non-living things. God has made these things for us, and God has made some natural things which are made by the God are called natural things. जो चीज गॉड ने बनाई है वो नेचुरल थिंग्स होती है. उन चीजों को ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं बना सकते. लाइक ट्री, सन, फ्लावर, वाटर, animals, birds, all these things. These are called natural things. What they are called? They are called natural things. Things those are made by the God are called natural things. And the things which are made by men, human being, are called man-made things. जो चीज इंसान के द्वारा, ह्यूमन बींग्स के द्वारा बनाई गई होती है उसको मैन मेड थिंग्स कहते हैं. In this, what you can see, what is the thing which is made by the men, human being? It's a ball. Ball has made by the human being, so it is a man-made thing. So, now come to the next chapter, children. Come to the next page. What God has made? God has made all the natural things, hills, mountains, rivers, trees, moon, stars, clouds, sky, etc. These things are made by God, so they are natural things. Revise it. The things which are made by God are called natural things. God has made animals also, birds also, water animals also, insects also. So these things are also natural things. These all things are natural things. Now in our surroundings, there are many man-made things also. House, market, hospital, and many more things are made by the men, like school, playground, zoo, etc. So these things are made by the men. The things which are made by men are called man-made things. It is very easy to remember, children. The things which are made by men are called man-made things. And the things which are made by God are called natural things. Clear about the natural things and the man-made things? Again, I am repeating, the things which are made by God are called natural things, and the things which are made by men are called man-made things. Now, God has given us a beautiful surroundings, beautiful environment. So, it is our duty to keep our environment clean, because if we keep our environment dirty, we will become sick. So, as you keep your house clean, same way we should keep our environment, our earth clean. Now, come to the next page, page number 10. Now, how we can keep our environment clean and how we can keep our environment, how we can protect our environment, कैसे हम बचा सकते हैं? We should, if you have a toy which you like, you don't want to destroy that. You will keep it very nicely on the safe place. अगर आपके पास कोई खिलौना है तो आप नहीं चाहोगे कि वो टूटे या खराब हो, तो आप उसको बहुत संभाल के उसकी देखभाल करोगे. सेम वे दिस इज आवर होम प्लेस. ये हमारा घर होता है. सो वी शुड कीप इट safe. So what should we do? First thing, we should not cut the trees, because trees purify the air. Trees purify the air in our environment and they give us oxygen. Oxygen is very important for us because we breathe in. If we do not get oxygen, we will die. As you know that trees give us many more important things. We get many things from the trees like vegetables, fruits, and some other important and useful things also get from the trees. So first thing, we should stop to cut the trees because trees purify air. Second thing, what we should do? We should not throw plastic bags and garbage in the water resources because it makes the water unfit for use. If we throw all the rubbish or garbage or plastic bags in the water bodies, if the animals drink that water, they will become sick. So we should avoid to throw all these things in the water bodies. So where we should throw the rubbish, garbage or the waste things? We should throw in the dustbin only, so that it makes the environment clean. Next is, we should not waste paper. Many trees are cut to make paper. So, children often do this thing. If they do some mistake in their copy, they just tear the page. This is very bad habit, children. You should use the eraser to clean the wrong work. You should not waste the paper because trees are cut to make the paper. If we need more paper, we have to cut the trees. So we should avoid to waste paper. In this way, we can keep our environment. We can protect our environment or we can keep our environment safe. Check your vehicle pollution regularly. Air becomes dirty due to smoke. We should use eco-friendly fuels so that our atmosphere do not become polluted. And smoke from the vehicles and the factories make our environment dirty. Next is, we should not wash clothes. Do not wash clothes and bath animals in the river. It makes the water dirty. We should not throw garbage, rubbish in the river or water bodies. And same thing, we should not wash our clothes and give bath to animals in the rivers or other water bodies. It also make our environment dirty. Now these things we should not do. As you can see the sad face over this pictures. So these things we should not do. These all things. Now what we should do, as you can see the smiley face here, you can understand with the faces, picture of faces, that these things we should not do and this thing we should do. What we should do? We should throw waste in the dustbin and keep it covered. It helps to keep our environment clean. We should use the covered dustbin and we should always throw the garbage or waste in the dustbin. That makes our environment clean. So in this chapter, children, we have learned about our environment. What is environment? The things, natural things and the man-made things around us make our environment. And we have learned about that how we can protect our environment clean and safe. Now these are the exercises and we have done it already. We have done it, but we will provide you in the PDF. You will get in your school in your class group, WhatsApp group. Children, if you have not done this work, so if you have not done, please complete all the work in your school science copy. You know what type of copy you have to use. You have to use interleaf copy, like one side plain, one side lines, that copy. And I hope all of you have done it, but if suppose you have not done, please complete all the work in your copy and study. Thank you.